Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a powder face wash. I have already shared 2 powder face washes. This is the third one that I actually prefer during summer seasons. I have a very different skin and it changes according to the personality depending on the season, where I travel or what I eat. So there are a lot of reasons behind different skin type. It's not the same always, so I have to change the face wash or its consistency or the ingredients that I use in it. So it becomes very difficult for me to find a face wash in the market that is suitable for my skin. Plus, I am really suspicious about the toxic ingredients in it. If I buy organic face washes, they are a bit costly. So what I do is I prepare my own. So for this I am taking sandalwood powder, 4 tablespoons. Then I'm going to add Gramflour, that is 4 tablespoons. I always add Gramflour in my ingredient because Gramflour is a very great cleanser and cleans my face up to mark. So I've added Gramflour. Now I'm going to add a pinch full of turmeric. Be careful on how much turmeric you add because it leaves a little bit color on your face. If you don't want that color, you can add wild turmeric. If you have pimples, add 1 teaspoon of wild turmeric into it. It won't stain your face. Now mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Your face wash is ready. Now to use, I have taken my homemade rose water. The recipe for it I will be sharing very soon. In this rose water, I am going to add the powder. Mix it very well. Approximately 1 teaspoon is enough for one wash. After mixing, it forms a very smooth texture. Sandalwood is great during summers because it doesn't leave any oil on my face. I usually take this face wash while I'm traveling because during traveling my face becomes really very oily. Sandalwood helps removing all the oil from my face. When it forms a smooth paste, just rub on your skin. Leave it for 5 minutes and then wash it off. If you don't want to leave, it's fine. I usually store this in such small boxes and I carry it in my purse or in my bag anywhere I go. So even you can prepare this face wash. If you've liked my video, just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such notifications. Thank you. See you again.